That's the end all be all. This is the same case with real estate investors. While you saw the real estate market kind of fall as the interest rates were rising, because if you're holding a real estate property for income and you're making 4 to 5 to 6%, and then you can make the same amount of money in, the bond market or an interest bearing savings account or something like we saw, you're gonna have a whole lot of people dumping those properties and moving to something that doesn't require as much work. And so you saw that happen, which was sort of an interesting correlation. But so the 10-year yield, that certainly was one of the effects of last week, of what happened last week with the index movements. Another was the corporate earnings and guidance. We saw a lot of companies that came back sort of in a place that we didn't expect. You had Walmart, NVIDIA. Let's see, let me pull this up. Last week, you had Microsoft, Walmart, NVIDIA, Tesla, JP Morgan, Microsoft. All of them were down last week. And I think all of them announced earnings. So that's going to be downward pressure on equities. Cautious outlook for consumers on how the forward-looking market is going to look. You have some Fed policy expectations. We've got some Federal Reserve Board members speaking this week, so it'll be interesting to see what they say based on sort of the unexpected